On a motorcycle. You can see in the police dashcam video 18-year-old Billy Buckley wearing nothing but a boot while he explains himself to the officer.
Naked.
Naked. In the nude. Fully.
I would not want to be that guy.
Police drove up on Buckley at 29th Street just before 10 on Sunday night. Now, seeing a motorcycle hum past there isn't unusual, but a buck-naked biker is something for the books.
Well, I don't think I want to be riding mine nude.
A boot-bearing Buckley waves the officer down, asking for clothes. At first, he said someone took his pants. Then the truth comes out. This was a bet. $50 to ride from Lake Chickasha to Chickasha naked. A 20-minute drive.
I'm confused and marveled at the fact that this young man thought he was going to get on the vehicle nude and travel a 20-mile radius area and think nobody was going to notice.
Drivers noticed and called the police on the macho version of Lady Godiva.
Yeah. I might have followed him for a little ways, though, just to see what happened. But, yeah, that's probably not real good. Like I said, especially with kids and stuff.
Well, it's just indecent.
But others say if the boot fits...
A bet's a bet, I guess.
No helmet, clearly no pants. This is a bet that police say could have ended in serious injuries if the biker wrecked.
He did have his boots on, though. We noticed he had his boots.
He eventually got the clothes he asked for, an orange jumpsuit. And fellow bikers say he definitely earned his $50.
Absolutely. They need to pay up.
Pay up because police video is proof he made it to Chickasha.